ChefMarkKalix has a chef coat on.
His celebrity chef.
Our buddy, ChefMarkKalix.
Hey everyone, it's Chef Mark, and today we're back with more knife skills. And today I'm going to talk about something that was formerly called the pinch grip. I'm now calling the key grip. So we're going to take a deeper dive into a new way I have to teach a very important technique when it comes to working safely, quickly, and accurately with a knife. So here's the highlight of a good pinch grip, is placing the middle finger against the back of the knife. That's highly important when you're holding a knife. And I used to think of this pinch grip as pinching the blade with your between your thumb and your index finger. But let's get rid of the knife here for a second. It occurred to me that this is really more like when we hold the key together in the house. We're gonna push our thumb against the side of the first knuckle. So this being the first knuckle, and in my world, this is the second knuckle. And we're gonna push and give that lots of pressure, okay? Set the knife in place, middle finger against the back of the knife, and there it is, right? So I'm pushing my thumb into my second knuckle. Now, if you have a large knife and you're up higher or lower, large handle or small handle, regardless of the size of your hand, the size of the knife, this will work. You want to hold the knife not just with the pinch, not just with the back three fingers, but all of the fingers. And lastly, the visual indicator that you have it right is that when you're holding the knife, the handle should be obscured by your forearm. You shouldn't be able to look down and see the handle. So this is correct, that's incorrect. That's incorrect, I can see the handle, okay? So middle finger, let me review, middle finger against the back of the knife, cock that index finger, push with your thumb, hold the knife, all five fingers very, very tightly. This is the grip, that's really important. None of this number right here, of course. Now, so a carrot can be tricky because it does have quite a bit of density, but you can see here by holding the knife tightly, I can make quick work of this carrot. So this is a classic knife technique. I think it's a better way to think about it. It's a better connection to the tool that you're using, the most important tool in the kitchen, being your chef knife. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. Thanks for liking and subscribing. And as always, this is Chef Mark. Thanks for joining us.